Scheduling emails can be a game changer, especially when managing different time zones or planning ahead. With Mailsuite, you can schedule high-volume mass emailing campaigns. Here's how. First, let's get Mailsuite installed. Go to the Mailsuite website and click Install. Take a look at this video for more details. Open Gmail and click Compose. You will see the Mailsuite icon in the Compose window ready to use. Click Campaign on the top right of the To field. Alternatively, you can just click on the Mailsuite icon and click Campaign Mail Merge. This turns your email into a mass emailing tool with individual email tracking and scheduling. That means each recipient will not see that others have received the same message. You can also personalize the campaign by importing data from a Google Sheet. Simply click Personalize Campaign and follow the steps explained in this video. Enter the recipient's address in the To field and compose your email as you normally would. Once everything's set, click Continue, then Schedule Send. Pick the perfect date and time, and press Send Single Campaign. And that's it! Mailsuite will take care of the rest and send your email exactly when you've scheduled it. You can find all of your scheduled emails in the Scheduled folder, which is located just below the Sent folder. Mailsuite lets you schedule multiple emails at once and tracks when your emails are opened or links are clicked. It's perfect for boosting engagement. This way, your emails reach people at just the right time, ensuring you get the best responses. It's a smart way to manage your emails and stay ahead of the game.